What are you doing up and welcome to my channel. So today is workout Sunday. So we are gonna do a back workout. We're gonna add in a little bit of rear delt as well. I try to include those. I don't always do biceps with back, so today I left that out because now I look forward to like my tricep bicep day. So yeah, if you're not into working out, no worries. I only upload a workout once in a while on Sundays. Sunday workout day. And yeah, so don't worry. Stick around for the next video if you want makeup related stuff. But yeah, today we are gonna work on lats and back and rear delts. That's what we are going to do. So lats is a super important exercise, especially if you are trying to widen out. Like you guys can just see if I take a breath here, look how much like smaller my waist looks just by opening up my back compared to the like normally, you know? So I always try to work back to widen out. It's not my favorite, but it's gotta be done, you know? So let's go ahead and jump into this together. I'll make sure to list the workout in the description box below. Also make sure you give me a follow there on Instagram. I do a lot more workout stuff on there. So, all right. Don't forget to subscribe and let's go ahead and get into this video. Okay, so make sure you always have your chest up for the lat pull down. It is really important. Even though I am leaning on a bench, my chest still stays up. Make sure you exhale as you pull that down. And then I think that's all I wanted to really mention. Make sure you're taking your time. I try to visualize every muscle I am using when I'm working out. So if I'm doing an exercise and I know it's supposed to work lats, I will picture my lats in my head as nice and strong. I feel like that mind connection really helps me get into a better workout rather than just going through the motions. So that is my little tip for you. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys, make sure you're bringing your shoulder blades down when you pull down. So my shoulder blades aren't staying up next to my ears. I'm always pressing them down. All right, so we're gonna start on that lat pull down. You don't have to be in this position. I like to, I feel a little bit more rather than sitting straight up. Also, the handles are too long on this machine, so we kind of had to create something else here. So we're gonna go 4 sets of 12 nice and heavy. Feel that stretch at the top. Exhale as you pull it down. Really squeeze those lats and feel that stretch as you come up, keeping your head neutral. And then we're just going to go 4 sets of 12 nice and heavy. We're gonna superset this as well. So make sure you're really focusing on that lat squeeze. Hands nice and wide. Next, we're gonna go rear delt flies. So choose a fairly light weight on this. We're gonna go 20 reps at a time. Make sure you're coming straight out. You're not letting your arms go back. That is cheating. So make sure you're going straight out. Take your time, and we're gonna go for multiple reps on this. So 4 sets of 20 supersetted with that lat pull down. Okay, so for this lat pull down, after we did the 4 sets heavy, we're gonna go single arm. So just bringing that one arm down, really focusing on squeezing that one side at a time. We're gonna go about 8 each side and then 10 together. So same exact as the other one. Exhale as you pull that side down. Really focus on keeping your core nice and tight and your breathing. Okay, so we're supersetting again with rear delt flies. This time I'm going nice and lightweight with a 3-second hold at the top. So really trying to squeeze those rear delts and taking my time. We're gonna do about 10 reps here. So 8 on each side of the lat pull down, 10 together, and then 3-second holds of 10 reps here. All right, so we're gonna jump into the TRX for a few exercises. Make sure you guys, the TRX I think is a great tool. Just make sure that you are paying attention to my positioning. I'll obviously walk you through it, but especially my hips in this one. We're gonna do a pull-up variation and my hips sit underneath me. So make sure you don't have your hips out and turn it into a row. This is supposed to be an actual like pull-up variation, and hopefully these will help you guys actually do pull-ups in the future as well. Okay, so you want to place the handles really nice and high for this one. Remember, you're sitting right below it, hips stay back, and then your arms are coming out to the side. So easier would be knees bent, feet flat. Harder is legs out, straight. So do whatever you can. These are a little tough, but they will progress into full pull-ups. So making sure you really use those lats, make sure you're breathing. And then we are going to superset each 3 sets of 10 with rows. So you're going to adjust those straps again. Make sure you're all the way down, pulling yourself up, squeezing that back as if you have a pencil between your shoulder blades. 3 of 10 each, back to back, nice and slow. So I am tapping that ground in between each time. Okay, so now we're going to go rear delt flies. So we're going to use the cables for this, making sure that you're pulling straight out. Your arms aren't coming down at all. Make sure you're really nice and slow and squeezing. So I don't like to use straps for this. I just grab onto the little ball at the end of the cable, and as soon as I kind of go right in, I push it right back out. So making sure that you are sitting up nice and straight. We're going to go 4 sets of 15 for that, and we're going to superset that with 4 sets of 10 underhand rows. So you're setting that cable nice and low, hand grip is underneath, make sure you're squeezing, same thing as if you have a pencil between those shoulder blades. So I have a little bit of a forward lean, but not much, just enough to be able to brace myself. Alright guys, that is it for today's workout. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any questions below. I'm always happy to answer. I hope I covered everything for you, gave you some new ideas, something that wasn't always, I feel like sometimes with workout videos, it's like the same 5 exercises over and over and over again. And I'm someone who needs variety in my life, in my food, here on my channel, all that good stuff. So make sure you don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Let me know what workout you guys want to see next, and I will see you guys later.